All right, it's time to put the hammer down, or well, we'll pick it up and then we'll put the hammer down. You know what I'm trying to say? I think you do. All right. So I would say, well, safety first, finish last. Always remember that. So do my glasses at minimum, my earplugs. Next up, when you're first getting started with hand hammering and nails, I think roofing nails are a good one to start with. Maybe something a little bit longer than these, but this is what I've got here to show you. But they make them up to 3 inches long, I believe, which I think could be a little bit long for starting out. So it's tricky because you got to hold this thing and you got to swing a hammer at it, which is kind of scary. So a longer nail is nice because at least you have a little bit more space between where you're trying to hit and your finger. When you're getting the nail started, you're just trying to get it to hold into the piece of wood well enough that you can get your hand out of the way. So I like to choke up on the hammer, and that way you have a little bit more control. You have less force, but you got more control. So just hold it between your thumb and any of your fingers. I'm using my middle finger right now. Sometimes I'll use my index finger. And I guess you could use, yeah, that's awkward for me to use my ring finger, and especially to use my pinky. So do what feels comfortable to you though. And just gonna tap it. Sometimes it just takes one tap. Sometimes I like to give it two just to make sure it's really in there. Because like I said before, when this nail is just started in here, like you can see how easy it was to pop out for me. If you accidentally hit it at an angle, it can go shooting off with a lot of speed. So I'm gonna give it just one more to get it set in, and then I can step my hand back to, I mean, you can go all the way if you want, but again, as you're starting out, I might grip about halfway down the handle, so you still have a good bit of control, but you've also got some power for swinging. That's it.